What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm showing you how I create fully consistent AI Stickman explainer videos, character animation and voiceover, completely free, no credit card needed. And stick around till the end because I'm also giving you the exact master prompt that makes this whole system work. Let's start by creating a new project in Google Flow. I'll name it Stickman Explainer. Head over to Google Docs and copy the character prompt. Then go to the character section inside Google Flow and paste it in. I will give the link to this prompt doc in the description. Once the character is generated, rename it to Stick Anchor, choose a voice agent for it and click Done. Now configure the generation settings to image 16:9 and Nano Banana 2. Head back to Google Docs and in the main master prompt, replace the niche and topic placeholders. Here I am using financial literacy basics as the niche and the difference between needs and wants as the topic. Copy the prompt and paste it into Claude's prompt box. You can put any niche and any topic you are going to make the explainer video on. Claude generates the image and video prompts for all 5 scenes. Copy the Scene 1 image prompt, paste it into Google Flow's prompt box, remove the @stick anchor text, then type @ and select the character we created earlier. And there it is, the first scene generated and looking great. Google Flow can have some issues while you are generating, you just have to retry it again and again. Generate the remaining 4 scenes the exact same way. Now go back to Claude and copy the video prompt for Scene 1. Back in Google Flow, click the plus button and select Scene 1, since we're using the video prompt for that scene. Configure the settings to Video Ingredients 16:9 1x and VO 3.1 Lite. Paste the prompt and hit Generate. Well, flow through a few errors, but a couple of retries got it through. Note, you might be seeing that I'm using a Google Pro account, but the credit budget that I've set is 50 credits, because a free Google account gets 50 credits every day. So according to that, I can generate 5 VO 3.1 Lite videos in a day, and that's exactly what I'm doing. The first video is ready.
Every single day, you make dozens of small money decisions without even realizing it, Kay. And almost all of them boil down to just 2 words, needs and wants.
Both the visuals and the voiceover sound great. Repeat the same process for the rest of the videos. Once every scene is generated, download all 5 clips and bring them into your video editor. You can use Google Vids if you want a free option. I'm using CapCut here. Import the clips, arrange them in order, and add a simple fade transition between each one. And here's how the final video looks.
Every single day, you make dozens of small money decisions without even realizing it, Kay. And almost all of them boil down to just 2 words, needs and wants. Needs are the essentials your life and safety depend on. Shelter, clean water, basic food, and healthcare top that short, non-negotiable list. Wants are the things that make life more enjoyable but aren't required to survive. Extra gadgets, brand name clothes, takeout coffee, all genuinely nice, just not necessary. Before any purchase, ask one simple question. Do I need this to function? Or do I just want it right now? Master this one distinction, and you'll spend with purpose, dodge needless debt, and steadily build the savings that fund the life you actually want.
Satisfied, the video turned out great, though there's a small spelling mistake in one of the clips. If that happens to you, just tweak or strengthen your prompt to avoid it next time. I'll drop the link to the full prompt in the description below. And that's it, a complete animated explainer video made entirely with free AI tools. If this helped you out, smash that like button, subscribe if you're new here, and drop a comment letting me know what tool you want me to break down next. See you in the next video.